Alright, we're heading out for a little mini reset.
Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, let's do this thing.
We are headed to the west side. It's about... I don't know if you can see it, but it's 2:58 in the morning. This is Captain Transportation in Viva Las Vegas. We are here.
Yeah, you only have 4 so.
This is the presidential limo.
Let me call, bro.
We are here in the limo, babe. Say hello to the vlog.
He should be up.
You're just gonna ignore them, huh?
Oh.
Got the electric blinds, fountain view room, standard king size. King size. They did a little updating. Still classic Bellagio. The 28th floor. Yep, but we're gonna get settled, get us some breakfast, and chill out for a little bit. Oh, let me show you the bathroom. This is the hallway. Hi. All showered, they've taken out their tubs. Yeah, this is it. The Bellagio. The Bellagio. We got this closet here. Same thing. Yeah, that's how I be doing for mine. Done. Everything's chilled to perfection. Just gonna flat iron my hair before we go out.
It's such a position. You're giving me no choice. You attacked me in my own home. I have to defend myself.
I did use the design essentials.
Safe let repair, safe let replace.
I think I'm just gonna do 2 braids today. We're not doing anything.
Really are.
See now on valuable benefits that may be available with a Medicare Advantage plan. Call now during the Medicare annual enrollment period. All-in-one Medicare
Forgot my curling iron, so I can do this. So, working with what I got right now.
dental, vision, hearing, or prescription coverage, depending on where you live.
So this is it. My 2 braids, and I'll tie it down so that it. I'm gonna wear these earrings. This is, my son got me these for my birthday. There we go. Yeah, he got me these. I'm gonna wear these. And we're gonna go downstairs and get some of this money. Just shmoney. I'm not doing too much to the face. I'm just going to touch up my brows. My brow pencil. This is soft black.
You still love me, don't you? Yeah, I love you too. So I was thinking we might go to Grandma's house when you're back. Why? Cut it out. I decided to sell. Mom. No, that's how you grew up. If I sell now while the market's still good, I won't have to worry about any loans for your school. What if I went somewhere where the tuition isn't so expensive? Coastal has the best ministry program in Southern Cal.
And this is a Maybelline that I use on my eyebrows too.
For this orientation is to give you a sense of what to expect when you start school in just a few short weeks. One of the most important things for you will be
Guys, I'll be back. I gotta go to the bigger mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm doing the voiceover because at this point we have the music blasting. We're feeling Vegas right now. But here I'm just showing the Pro Filter 420 powder just to get some of the shine off of my face. Yeah, I'm mad at myself that I forgot my brushes at this point. That's why I'm looking over just to make sure and double check, but they're not there. I'm saying I'm so annoyed right now. I forgot my brushes for my makeup. I forgot my wand for my hair. So yeah, I'm having a moment right now. Right here, I'm just showing you the mascara that I put on. I went into the bathroom and put that on. I'm gonna showing you that I'm just putting on my chapstick first. As you see, I could not get the lip gloss number to focus. Yeah, it's just a clear gloss. I've been using this for years. So now I'm just going to touch up my forehead where the scarf was. And I think I might have ended up putting on a hat, maybe not. I don't even remember. But yeah, I'm just touching it up a little bit. Again, I wanted to look like I did not have any makeup on. Here I'm just making sure everything is put together, and we're getting ready to go downstairs to the casino. Catch you in the next one. Peace.